These are the directions for Workplace 1B, the multiple game. Each pair of players needs 2 colored pencils of different colors, one 1B multiple game record sheet to share. To begin, player 1 will circle a target multiple on the game board. The number must be a multiple of other numbers, not just one in itself. In the first turn, any number except 1 can be chosen. So now that player 2 will circle all of the factors of the target multiple, not including the target itself. So since player 1 chose 12, player 2 will then circle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, because 12 is a multiple of each one of these numbers. Now, player 2 will choose and circle a new target multiple, and player 1 will circle all the available factors of player 2's number. So let's say player 2 chose 20 as their target multiple. We know that if we looked at the multiples of 5 and the multiples of 10, they would both have the number 20 eventually on the list of multiples. So we will circle 5 and 10. However, we typically would have been able to circle 2 and 4 as well, but since they are already circled, they're already taken. We cannot circle them. So we will only circle the numbers that are available, that is an available factor of that number. Players will take turns choosing target multiples and circling the factors. When the numbers remaining are not multiples of any of the uncircled numbers, the game is over. If a player chooses a target number for which there is no factors and can still be circled, the chosen target multiple must be crossed out and the player loses their turn. Each player finds the sum of the numbers that are circled with their color. The greatest total wins. So in this case, if this were the very end of the game, player 2 would win because they had the most numbers circled. These are the end of the directions for Workplace 1B, the multiples game. Different variations of this game include a pair of players playing against another pair, or players may create a game board that contains numbers greater than 30 to provide more of a challenge.